How to transfer money from bank account to PayPal account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can send the money from your bank account to your PayPal account. So you can simply download the PayPal application by going on the Google Play Store. On the search bar you can search for PayPal and then install the application on your device. After you install the application, make sure you have signed in all the information right there and logged into your account. Now if you want to transfer the money, what you need to do is open a PayPal account and then you will see an interface like this. Go on the wallet section and then you will see an interface like this again. Tap on the plus icon. Now you need to add the money. Tap the amount right there and tap on add money option. After adding the money, it will give you the option of from to. Now you need to tap the bank account from where you are transferring the money to your PayPal account. After tapping the bank account and all the details, tap on add money and then you are done. Just like this, you can simply transfer money from your bank account to your PayPal account. There are multiple ways to do it and this is also one of it. So I hope you like the video, and if you like the video then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.